Nearly there. I'm actually excited. I want to see our house.
Your destination is ahead on the left.
Oh my God, I can't wait to see him.
It's like day one again.
Oh, my. So we are back.
This is so good.
We're home. Oh, Jazz, did you sanitise?
No. Ready? Let's do this. Ready, set, go.
Back on the block, baby. Here we go.
How exciting. Oh, my goodness.
Check this out. Have a look at this. This is where it got different.
We've got all our walls. Our framework's all there. To physically see it, it's actually bigger than we expected. Oh, look at the wall. Oh, my gosh, that is amazing.
Roof. We have a roof and walls.
How high it is.
Walls. Oh, it feels like we're walking into a house.
It does. It actually feels like a legit house.
Amazing. This is amazing. Have a look at it. Just seeing our bricks done and all our windows in. And...
Yeah, those second-storey extensions, all of them are unique and different, but it was really amazing to see them come to life.
Oh, babe, look, we didn't even see our surf mist. Look how cool it looks.
Wow, that actually does look sensational. That looks $1 million, to be honest. I'm really happy. They're here. Go in.
I don't know what's going on.
Go in.
What was it like going back to the block and seeing the progress that the builders had made?
I already seen it, so I didn't. It was no surprise to me. OK. Ooh, the rooms aren't that big upstairs, are they?
That's much smaller than we thought.
Yeah, it is much smaller.
How do you get up?
And Harry, you have seen a little of this before, haven't you, mate?
Well, I haven't seen a lot. I came here once just to do some measurements and got sprung, but I haven't really had a good look at it. I was sort of in and out.